Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with a microwave. First, always check your microwave's wattage, as this significantly impacts cooking times. Most residential models range from 600 to 1200 watts. Ensure you're using microwave-safe dishes made of glass, ceramic, or specific plastics. Covering your food with a lid or microwave-safe plastic wrap helps retain moisture and prevents messy splatters, making cleanup much easier. This foundational knowledge is key to successful microwave cooking. Next, let's explore common uses. Reheating leftovers is simple. Stir them halfway through for even heating. Defrosting frozen items, like a 1-pound package of ground beef, is best done on the defrost setting, rotating or breaking apart the food as it thaws. For cooking vegetables, place them in a dish with about 2 tablespoons of water, cover, and cook until tender crisp, typically for 3 to 5 minutes for a cup of broccoli. These methods save valuable time. For optimal results, arrange food in a single layer on your plate, leaving a 1-inch gap between items if possible, to ensure uniform heating. Foods with skins, such as potatoes or sausages, should be pierced several times with a fork to prevent them from bursting due to steam buildup. Crucially, always allow a standing time of at least 1 to 2 minutes after cooking. This allows the heat to distribute evenly, completing the cooking process and preventing cold spots. Patience yields perfection. Finally, let's cover safety and maintenance. Never, under any circumstances, place metal or aluminum foil inside your microwave, as this can cause dangerous arcing and damage the appliance. Keep your microwave clean by wiping down the interior regularly with a damp cloth to prevent food buildup and unpleasant odors. Also, periodically check the door seal for any damage or gaps, ensuring it closes securely. A well-maintained microwave is a safe and efficient kitchen tool for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.